Hey friends, welcome back. This video is going to be a step-by-step guide for drawing hairs. We are going to use just two pencils for it. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I am already done with the outlines here. I have used grid method to draw these outlines. Showing the complete outlining process in a video makes it unnecessarily long. So first grab an empty pen or an indentation stylus for adding some indentation lines. I always prefer to shade section by section and I usually start from left hand side. Being right handed, it will help me to avoid smudging. If you are a left handed person, then try to start from the right hand side. Now I have taken my neutral charcoal pencil and with it I am adding a base layer. Indentation lines just make the hair drawing process very easy. And now taking my brush, I am blending the strokes well. Now using soft charcoal pencil, I am adding some darker strokes at the corners and at the edges. Now again blending it using brush. I am using this soft synthetic brush which is available at any local stationery shop. Now take any fine tip eraser you have and add some highlights. If you don't have any fine tip eraser and if you are looking for one and if you are beginner, then you must purchase the one which I have because it's just 20 rupees Apsara mechanic eraser available at any local stationery shop and it is best for practicing pencil sketching. Now again grab your neutral charcoal pencil and add very little and fine strokes in highlights. It will give a natural look to the hairs. Now repeating the same process for the above one as well. As we have added indentation lines, the process of adding strokes has become very easier for us. I have used charcoal pencils for this process. We have used just two charcoal pencils. First the neutral one and second the softer one. I always use these two pencils for my any kind of hairs I draw. The reason for using these pencils is basically these pencils are very dark and even they don't have shine like graphite pencils, so it gives a very nice and realistic look to the hairs. Some highlights. Now using mechanical pencils, add some hairs in the highlighted areas. They will help us to get nice texture. Now repeating the same process for the above one as well. Most people complain that they are not able to achieve good results by indentation process. It is just because they don't spend enough time on practicing this technique. I have noticed two common mistakes that beginners usually make which create indentation look like a mess rather than looking like realistic hairs, etc. First one is that you guys always add these lines in random back and forth stroke manner in which all the lines are connected to each other on the ends, forming a circular pattern on the ends of those indentation lines, which doesn't make the hair texture look realistic. So try to avoid it as much as you can. Secondly, even if the indentation lines are separated at the ends, they are not completely faded like they should be. The proper way is to add each single line individually and make sure that each line is faded at the start and in the end as well. You need to practice daily to improve this technique. Now using my neutral charcoal pencil, I am adding these random hairs. Now using my mechanical pencil, I am adding some directing lines which will help us during our indentation process. For most of the hair chunks, they are darker at the corners and lighter in the center portion. You can observe how I am shading the hairs. So the process is basically same further. So basically there are 5 steps in creating hyper realistic hairs. Step 1, take your neutral charcoal pencil and add a base layer. Step 2, grab your soft charcoal pencil and add some darker strokes. You can also add these strokes according to your reference image. Step 3, blend the strokes well. Step 4, using your any fine tip eraser, add some highlights. And the 5th step is repeating the same whole process until you get your desired results. So this is basically the 5 steps of creating realistic hairs. Now using a mechanical eraser, I am erasing some bottom portion of the hairs, and then using a very sharp tip fine pencil, I am adding some thin lines which will give our hairs the natural look. Now repeat this whole process for this portion of hairs as well. I usually blend my charcoal pencils with brush. You can blend with the tool that you have. I will recommend you to blend charcoal pencils with brush only. Brushes are the best to blend charcoal pencils. While blending with brush, always blend in the direction you added the strokes. Now using my mechanical eraser, I am adding some highlights. Now add this highly fade light hair strokes at bottom. After adding these, your hyper realistic hairs are ready. This is best technique to draw hairs. You can draw any kind of hairs using this technique. Also, this is my favorite technique to draw hairs. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. I would see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.